This is the Nokia N92. Probably the first thing you'll notice is that this phone is quite big and heavy. It tips the scale at 191 grams, but size-wise, at 107 by 58 by 25 millimeters, it is not a total pocket buster. But thinking of a multimedia phone crammed with features like mobile TV, dual camera, a music player, and connectivity such as Wi-Fi, you might think twice because you get loads of features in a fairly small package. The Nokia N92 boasts of its huge anti-glare screen at about 2 inches in size. And although the screen is at 240 by 320 pixel resolution, it is equipped with 16mm high color definition and optimized for video viewing, making the screen such a pleasure to look at. With the N92's flip and fold form factor, it gives you a ton of phone modes and 3 phone parts. The upper part is the screen panel where the power button, memory card port, and secondary camera are located. The hinge containing the main camera and capture key are located in both ends. The infrared is located behind this hinge. And the bottom part are the keypad panel which switches orientation when in landscape mode or normal mode. However, the tactile feedback of the keypad panel is poor and the position of the soft keys is less than optimal. They are tucked away towards the back and slightly under the screen. Ibig sabihin, mahirap i-press, kaya naman constant checking ang kailangan para dito. Looking at the left side of this panel, you will see the volume control and flash. On the opposite side are the charger and USB port. When closed, you will see the secondary screen that displays time, network signal, battery level, and other information. But there's no way to light up while on the fold. Therefore, showing notifications on this display is kind of useless. Flip it open again to check received messages. While on this mode, it operates like a usual flip phone. In capture mode, the screen is twisted around 90 degrees so that it is at right angle to the keypad. The camera is located in the barrel of the hinge with a button on one end acting as the capture key. Kaya lang, may kahirapan i-manage yung functions nito sa ganitong angle dahil mahirap i-associate ang keys sa labels ng screen. One of the benefits of the N92 size is that it houses a big battery. Pero nakaka-frustrate kasi madali din mag-lowbat ito lalo pat madalas gamitin ng mga applications. The main camera ranks in at 2 megapixels. It gets the job done and it gives fair results when used with ample amounts of light. But it could never be compared with other Nokia cam phones. Video playback is obviously one of the main uses for this device, so you can expect good performance there. And of course, there's also the mobile TV application. In TV mode, the screen is rotated a further 90 degrees so that it becomes flush with the long side of the keypad. This gives the impression of a clamshell device. It is this mode that is used for watching TV. However, thanks to the Series 60 3rd edition, all the normal applications also work in landscape mode. This is particularly good for web browsing, but also has benefits for any kind of data entry, especially text messages. To activate your mini TV, just press the mobile TV and look for an available channel. Hanggat may subscription ka sa kahit anong package, you will enjoy the benefit of watching TV whenever and wherever